Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jola Charasi and today we are going to solve the problem which came into starters 204. The name of the problem is episodes and the problem code is episodes. The difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk and the prerequisite is ad hoc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says Chef just started a new series on Netflix. This series has a total of n episodes, each which is k minutes long. Chef wonders what is the total time that it will take him to watch the series from start to finish. Assume that Chef does not need break in the middle. You need to find the answer in terms of hours and minutes. For example, 140 minutes should be 2 hours and 20 minutes. For specifically, the output of hours and minutes is considered valid only if m lies from 0 to 60. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first and only line of each test case contains two integer n and k. Output format. For each test case, output on a new line two integers h and m, the number of hours and minutes it will take to watch the whole series, where h is always greater than 0 and m is always lying from 0 to 60. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 1800, n lies from 1 to 30, k lies from 1 to 60. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case and the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is very much straightforward. It says that Chef has just started watching some of the series and there are total n episodes in each and each episode is of k minutes long. So Chef wonders what is the total time it will take if he starts from start to end. Okay, so assuming that there is no break between, so we have to find the answer in terms of hours and minutes total. Okay, now let's take the first test case. We have got n and k. N means total number of episodes 3 and every episode takes 15 minutes. The total minutes would be 3 times of 15, which is 45 minutes. If we convert this into hours and minutes, it will become 0 hours and 45 minutes. So output is 0, 45. So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple solution. N episodes and k minutes make for a total of n times of k minutes worth of time. We then need to convert n times of k to the r minute format. There are a couple of ways of doing this. The brute force approach starts with h equal to 0 and m equal to n times of k. Then as long as m is greater than equal to 60, subtract 60 from m and add 1 to h, essentially repeatedly converting 60 minutes into 1 hour. In the end, the answer is the final values of h and m. The math approach would be this is the same as the previous one, but with additional observation that the repeated subtraction can be emulated by division. That is, h will just equal the quotient when n times of k is divided by 60, while m will equal to the remainder of the division. So you can directly print and set quotient and remainder. So guys, I think the solution is pretty much clear and easy. And let's move toward the simple C++ code. So guys, over here it is my C++ code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as n and k. In this minutes, I am storing n times of k, and at the last, I am simply printing minutes as minutes and the question remainder format. Yeah, and as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right. Now let's move toward the Python code. So guys, this is a simple Python code. So I took the input for all the test cases as well as n and k. I stored in this minutes variable. I stored n times of k, and I'm simply printing mins by 60 and mins mod 60, basically question remainder. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code as well as right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach was pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.